today's session we explored some modeling tools and sculpting brushes. Today let's dive into creating materials like plastic and metal as we observe in the real world. The default 3D modeling material is Lambert 1, which is flat and lacks shines. To access a Hypershade editor, go to Window, Rendering Editor, Hypershade. In Hypershade, you will see a layout with Lambert and other materials. Including the standard surface material, in the material window you can view the material used in the Maya scenes, while the create window lists materials you can choose from. The main window is used for editing a material, and on the right hand side you will see material properties. Now let's start with the default material Lambert 1. We'll assign a new material Blinn 2 to the TV cover. Blinn 2 is available in the material window. Simply select the TV cover object, right click on Blinn 2 and choose assign material to selection. To view the materials network graph, right click on the material and select a graph network. This shows the network connection in the lower window. Let's explore some Blinn material properties. Color. Adjusting the slider will change the color from dark to light shades. Transparency. This settings controls the transparency of the object. Additional options, we have also a ambient color, incandescence and diffuse settings. Specular shading. This adjusts the specular highlights on the material. To change the color, double click on the color switch to open the palette. Then select a color. Let's select the red color for now. Now let's create another material Phong. Phong differs from Blinn in specular shading and produces sharper highlights. Similar to Blinn, Phong allows a color changes and other adjustments. In addition to Maya default materials, Arnold materials are available for rendering in Arnold. You can quickly search for material in Hypershade. Let's type aiStandardSurface to bring up the standard surface material commonly used with Arnold. Let's create a standard surface material for the glass. Rename it to TV glass and assign to the object. The standard surface material has many properties to adjust, including weight, color, diffuse, roughness and many more. In the transmission attributes, adjust the weight to make a glass transparency. This concludes our session on materials and their properties. I hope this has provided a solid foundation in understanding materials. Thank you everyone.